Here's a 2011 Ford Explorer. Aptly named, handsomely appointed. When people talk about the beautiful scenery, they'll be talking about this Explorer too. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: V6 engine, front heated leather bucket seats, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, voice activation, aluminum wheels, memory pedal settings, and automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive writes, for many years, the Ford Explorer has been one of the best-selling SUVs in the market. A capable tow vehicle and off-roader, the Explorer also offers the generous interior space, comfort features, and safety technologies necessary for day-to-day tasks. Ford is America's best-selling vehicle brand. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
At Metropolitan Ford, you'll always get a great experience and a great price. Stop in and see us today. We're conveniently located off Plaza Drive in Eden Prairie.